Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Just gonna be going to Gimli today. Hope you guys enjoy the videos. Say hi, Michael.
What's up?
Gabe, say hi, buddy. Gabe, say hi.
Hi.
See you guys in a bit. Okay guys, we gotta start packing, but I just thought I'd say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and I hope you have a good day, and if you're a rider, ride safe. See you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I forgot to get some clips when we stopped for gas and at the store and stuff, but we're about halfway on the way to Gimli, and I'll get some time warp footage now. So. Hey guys, those of you who ain't from Manitoba, Gimli is actually about an hour away from Winnipeg, and it's the #1 rated beach. So if you come to Canada, if you come to Manitoba, you gotta check out Gimli.
Wait, where's that?
Quick look at the beach here.
Dad, here.
Okay guys, we're just gonna unload and then we're gonna set up a little station, and we'll be back with some clips in a sec. Gabriel, you ready to go in the water?
Yeah, let's go.
What about you? You ready to go in the water?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
What's up, buddy? Oh, look at this guy.
Hello, old man.
Bro. Brother, bro. This is my mother-in-law. This is my father-in-law running away. Who's jumping in first? Guess you gotta just go in even if the water's cold.
Oh, it's cold, isn't it?
Water's nice. Jump in, bro! It's all good. What's wrong, Philip? Look at him, he's so cold. Look at him. Holy shit, the water's pretty cold. It's a hot day, but the water's pretty cold. Check out the view. Check out the view in here. Heading back to the water. Sun's back out, clouds are gone. People just living life. We'll get this little clip of this guy. Do it. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it, man. Nice catch. Alright, let's go. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. If you're not at the beach today, you should be. Recording. Introduce yourself.
Hello, what's up? I'm a beach. It's nice out here. You live in Canada, you should probably come here.
way, bro. Make it. Yeah, man, it's a good color too. What are you guys doing?
Stop that! Other couple cola.
Michael, what's today?
Huh?
What's today?
Another one! Sunday? Father's Day. I found another one! Happy Father's Day to everyone who's dad. Michael, I found a...
Okay guys, here in Gimli and just came across this beautiful Harley. Insane. Got the Saddleman step-up seat. Two Brothers Racing, 2-into-1 exhaust. Looks like he got a stage 1. Just a perfect example of a beautiful Dyna. Okay guys, we're all changed up, ready to go. It was an amazing day. Gimli was beautiful as always. Did you have fun, buddy?
Oh, yeah.
Gabe,
Lots of fun.
did you have fun?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Alright guys.
Cool.
Okay guys, leaving Gimli Beach, and it was a great day, nice and hot. Water was nice and cold. If this is your first time coming across the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like and comment, and stay tuned for more content. Thanks.